This is Snow Monarch, a tiny brave king, lost in the freezing snow. He's been wandering through the cold, looking for even a single bite of food. But everywhere he checks, there's nothing. Just ice, wind, and silence. He digs in the snow, hoping something is hidden underneath. But every time he tries, his paws just get colder. Snowflakes cover his white fur as he slows down, tired and shivering. He curls up, trying to keep himself warm, but without food, he won't last long out here. So please, like and subscribe. Every click helps Snow Monarch get the food he needs to warm up and survive another day.